Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into Kahoot app review to help you decide if this app actually worth it. So to get started, Kahoot is a gamified learning platform widely used for classroom training section and virtual events to boost engagement through interactive quiz. It allows educators and facilitators to create custom games or choose from the vast library of pre-made content, making e-learning more dynamic and enjoyable. The strength of Kahoot includes its user-friendly interface and the ability to make learning fun and interactive. Educators appreciate how it transforms traditional quiz into engagement games, fosters a competitive spirit among students. The platform supports various question types and multimedia integration, enhancing the learning experience. Additionally, its accessibility across devices ensure that participants can join games from anywhere. However, there are some weaknesses. Some users have noted that the platform's emphasis on speed can overshadow the deep understanding. A quicker response yields higher scores, so potentially disadvantaging thoughtful learning. Additional, while the cloud offer a free version, many advanced features and questions types are locked behind a paywall, which can be a limitation for some educators.